everybody, my name is Allison, Ostrander, the Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. And in this video, I am going to talk about a potential longer-term setup on QCOM. Now, the reason why I think this looks interesting is right now on the daily chart, we have of course, come down recently, tested the 100 SMA, held that as support. We're starting to see some signs of potential bearish exhaustion, some bullish signals, some discount buy signals, a squeeze starting to appear. So that all looks interesting for a bit of a bounce higher, but typically this is a bit sloppier of a daily chart than I prefer to trade. However, the reason why this one spiked my interest is because on the monthly time frame, this has been overall in a nice bullish trend throughout the years. And more recently, we've seen the price come down into support, hold it. We're getting a rise in momentum. We had recent monthly true lows, which don't happen very often, right? The last time we had monthly true lows was back here before this nice run from around 100 up into 225, so over 100% return on shares. And then back here, we had true lows print during the bottom of this consolidated range, which that went from about 54 up into the 160 range. So once again, great place to buy longer term to hold for a bigger run. So first of all, for those of you who like to buy shares, you know, the better discount was probably here when that cherry on top printed at the low, but I still think this is a good place to buy for that potential bigger run to the upside. Still like the squeeze and everything else, but I also like this for a potential options trade. Now, the options trade is a little riskier, given, unlike shares where you're giving yourself plenty of time for it to work out, as long as it doesn't break support. With options, we have to be a little bit mindful of things like theta decay. But the reason why this one's interesting is because we have a bullish divergent bar that printed a couple months ago. And when this signal prints on the monthly time frame for QCOM, 8 out of 10 times it usually gets the follow through with a higher high. And the target is up here to 205.95 or higher. So because of where we're trading at now, that makes for a pretty good discount buy. So one of the things I was pricing out was going out to February monthly expiration. That should technically give it enough time for the signal to work out. We're looking for this move back up into the 205 range to happen ideally by the end of January. So February gives it a little bit of a cushion. And I was eyeing something like the 195, 210, 220 broken wing butterfly. This is a 1510 broken wing butterfly with a current cost of around $1.38 on the mark. Let's just say you get filled at $1.40. That allows for a $13.60 max profit potential if it were to pin. If it goes completely in the money, it's still a $3.60 profit potential. So pretty good risk versus reward there. If you wanted to do a slightly smaller capital risk, you could either bring it down and do something like a 5-point spread. That's only about 77 cents for the same expiration. A 10-point spread using 200 to 10 is about $1.10 cost basis, so a little bit in between that and the broken wing. But the reason why I like the broken wing is because it gives, first of all, of course, an excellent max profit potential. But I like that it also encompasses the 200 level. If we were to just reach target and that's it by February, from an intrinsic point of view, this should be $10.95 in the money. So it allows for an excellent risk versus reward there based on the $1.38 cost basis. So that is what I'm looking at. Obviously, we need to give ourselves plenty of time on this trade, given that it's a monthly time frame. But I like how things are holding up. And of course, if this starts to bounce sooner than later, we don't necessarily have to wait for it to hit target in order to take this off for a profit. So as always, my fellow Jedis, may the trade be with you. I hope this helps with a potential trade idea to consider for your account. And I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.